Hi everyone, it's Katie from Scrap for Your Life YouTube. I'm showing you today how to make these napkin display holders using the Dollar Tree Ornament and Dollar Tree poinsettia clip, and the charger plates were also from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. Okay, all you're gonna need is a pair of these flathead wire cutters for like making jewelry and stuff, and a pair of scissors. We're just gonna cut the string off of the ornament and pull it out. Now on the ornament, some of the Dollar Tree ones, the gem is not centered, so I just pull it off, kind of get the old glue off of the back. If it'll come off, if it doesn't, that's okay. And then just take some more hot glue and put it in the center, and then reposition it back into the center. And then if this little plastic flower isn't centered with your ornament, there's a wire that runs through it. You can pull the wire up or down or sideways to get it centered. And then I'm going to take the flat pliers and just bend the tip where the ornament holder has a hole. I'm going to bend it sideways on both sides, kind of curling it around. You can leave it there if you want it to be there. I just didn't want it with the hole showing. And so I made it into a point. But you can also, if you want it to look like the other edges, they're kind of rounded, I just bend it. Bend it around, and let me try to get it squeezed more right at the edge. And then bend it over. Squeeze. This one's not being cooperative. The other one was easier. I did. And then pinch it. And it's kind of rounded like the other sides. But like I said, you can leave it because if you want to ever pull the hot glue off of the back of this, off of the poinsettia, and use it as an ornament again, you can. It'll just come right off, and you can just rub the glue off the back. So the poinsettia has a clip on it. It comes like that, and I just pull the top of this little center. I'm going to just pull it off of there. Oh, it's not going to cooperate. It's kind of breaking this time. Sometimes it'll come off in one piece with the center like that. But try not to pull the bottom, because this clip will pull out and the two flowers will separate. So I just pull lightly on the top. Okay, and then we're just going to lay it down, kind of get your leaves as flat as you want them, and face the clip the way you want to clip it down onto the napkin. Face it towards you, and then take your hot glue and just put a strip about an inch up from the center. Don't do the center because there's nothing to grab hold of for the ornament to grab hold of. You'll need to do it on the flower itself. Of course, if you take your ornament off later, the flower will have this hot glue, but you can also, instead of an ornament, you can also use a silk flower which I was going to begin with. I had some silver silk flowers, but I went to the Dollar Tree and I saw this ornament, and I thought that would be better to use. Then it'd be really pretty and shiny. So then just lightly push on the back. Be careful because the hot glue comes through and it will burn you. And just push down until it gets a good seal. And then you have the clip napkin holder. Let me get the napkin to show you how to put it on. Okay, I just had a square napkin and I took it and I folded it part way to the middle and then folded it again and again, and you can make it even thinner if you want it thinner by keep going over. I think I'm going to make it a little thinner. Okay, and then you have it, it looks like this, and then you just flip it. And then you can take your clip. First you're going to, right about the center, kind of bend it over about 2 inches up. And then take your clip and clip it right onto that bend. And then it will lay down. And then you can lay it right on your charger plate. Let me get the charger plate. And it will go just like that. And you can kind of adjust this if you want it to be thinner, or if you want it to be longer on one side, you just take this and pull it down. Actually, I want it to go that way. And pull it down whichever way that you want it. Okay, so there's your $2 napkin holder from the Dollar Tree. So here's what the napkin holder looks like when it's on the charger plate and it's on the placemat. Both of the charger plate and the placemat I got from the Dollar Tree also. The napkins were from Bed Bath & Beyond, because the Dollar Tree I couldn't find any napkins there, so I just got a 6-pack from the Bed Bath & Beyond. And I have glitter everywhere all over here. I have to get the vacuum and vacuum up all the glitter from decorating everything. It got it everywhere. But I just wanted to let you know that I'm doing a tablescape tour when I get done completely decorating, and a Christmas tree and decor video. And also I have a hot cocoa and coffee bar video that I'm going to be putting up really soon, so stay tuned for those and come back and watch those. And everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.